It's Bonnie. Happy Wednesday. I am back. Oh my gosh, you guys. We are going to take a break from all of this really bad weather and focus on mermaid treasures. I've been wanting to talk about this necklace set for a really long time now. I'm so excited to share this with you. If you're just joining me, I am an online AVON rep. All of my information is below, including the link to order. Definitely check out the jewelry that's currently in campaign 4 because there are some really nice pieces. And the thing is, a lot of times if AVON jewelry sells out, it does sell out and you can't get it. So if you flip to your jewelry section, either on the online catalog or your paper catalog, you're going to see some amazing stuff like this. Simply Charming. Oh, I love this one so much. I wear this one a lot for St. Patrick's Day. And then the heart for Valentine's Day is actually sold out now. But really pretty jewelry. 2 other sets that are gorgeous are your rainbow colors and the blush and gem necklace. I love this one. This one's another one of my favorites. So coming up in campaign 5, which is going to look like this. I got to go over what's coming up in campaign 5 too. Check it out. We have, this page, I'm going to talk about this one too. The Mermaid Treasures set. Now, I actually gifted off the earrings already because I actually don't wear earrings because my hair covers my ears. But I am going to get another set of those because I love them so much. So I got to show you this necklace. This necklace to me is actually with the nail polish. I'm wearing my brand new mauve nail polish from Avon. I feel like this is like the perfect look. I did get this shirt at Kohl's last year, and then I just have a tank top on underneath. And I think this is like the perfect look. This necklace looks amazing with like a summer tank top. It's the perfect summer look. I'm going to take this off now so that I can show it to you a little bit more up close. Super easy to take off. There's just a little clasp back there. And then it is beautiful. Let me stop it from swinging here. There we go. It is so pretty. There's a lot of elements to this. So there's like abalone. There is like a holographic pink. There is like a beautiful white, and it's kind of like a segmented necklace, and it's super comfortable to wear. This is by far one of my favorite necklaces that I've had for summer. So that is the necklace. There's also a ring. The ring is very unusual. It actually fits just below the knuckle so that you can bend your finger, but then on the back, it's got like a little bit of a 2-piece. It's like a 2-for ring there, but it's super pretty. I actually have never owned a ring like this, and I like the ring a lot. So that's super pretty. And then there's a watch. Oh my gosh. I usually wear an Apple Watch, but lately I've been gravitating to these pretty watches. Look at how gorgeous this watch is. I think this is stunning, and it really completes the look. And I don't know, I'm kind of liking these new watches. I have a new appreciation for like jewelry watches now. So I'm excited about the watch too. And then there is an earring set. So if you like earrings, I would definitely check out the set. So check this out. Look at this. You get 9 pairs of earrings, and all of them match the necklace in some way. There's like an abalone set. There is a pearl set, a pink set. So they're super pretty. The necklace in the catalog, when you shop with a rep, is $24.99. The earring pack is $16.99. That's for 9 pairs of earrings. It's like almost like $1.50 a pair. The ring is $9.99, and then the watch is $49.99. So all of the pieces here, honestly, like I said, this is one of like the prettiest pieces of costume jewelry that I think I have ever owned. Again, it's super easy to put on here. There's a little clasp right here, and then you can hook it. And it is adjustable, so you can choose the length of it. So if you like it a little bit higher up, you can do that. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to just make sure it catches on there. But super easy there. I got it on. And honestly, like, I cannot believe how pretty this looks. It just really makes the outfit. It does. So I'm super excited to share this one. Definitely check it out. Campaign 5 starts next Wednesday, which is March 1st. Mark your calendars. I have a lot to talk about. I'm going to go over the WoW deal, I think, this week. Really good WoW deal for Campaign 5 coming up. So we have a lot to talk about. And then this is going to be the cover of Campaign 6. Little makeup going on here. We're going to do a lot of makeovers in Campaign 6. I'm excited. Lots of beautiful makeup. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. Check it out. The eyeshadow, the liquid eyeshadow. I just love looking. And then there's a free gift offer coming up in Campaign 6. And actually in Campaign 5, there's a free Ultimate Rejuvenating Day Cream offer, $50 value. But I'll be talking about that a little bit more because we got so much to talk about. Anyway, thank you as always for watching me. Don't forget to check out the links below. Shipping is free on 60. I'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye.